Hey, what's up, everybody? I know it's been a long time since I made a video. I'm going down to NW Car Parts to pick up some parts for the Honda. Alright, see you guys there. We're back home and unloaded. These is what I got. These are the NRG Prisma Ultra, the Dynasty Edition. Alright. And then you still got these pockets in here. This comes off. Ooh, yeah. Gold flakes. Also, I got what you call it, NRG chair brackets. So NRG. And there's the other one. All right. And I got more stuff coming in. I might put these all in when all the rest of the parts come in. All right, thanks.